Hey everyone, today we're going to explore one of the most beautiful hidden gems just outside Philadelphia named Chanticleer Gardens. Whether you're a plant lover, an artist, or just someone looking for a peaceful escape, this place is pure magic. Take a walk with me through Chanticleer. Chanticleer is a pleasure garden located in Wayne, Pennsylvania, about a 30-minute drive from downtown Philadelphia. The garden is open Wednesdays through Sunday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., from late March through early November. Admission is $15 for adults, $5 for students, and children under 12 get in free. There's free parking on site, but you have to reserve a spot online in advance on busier days. Chanticleer is not your typical botanical garden. It's what they call a pleasure garden, and it really lives up to the name. This 48-acre property is divided into a series of garden rooms, each with its own theme, mood, and plant palette. There is the tennis court garden, filled with bold textures and vibrant colors. The peaceful Asian woods with ferns, Japanese maples, and babbling brooks. And the ruin garden, a hauntingly beautiful space built from the remains of an old mansion. You'll also find whimsical touches everywhere. Custom-made benches, hand-carved gates, and even fountains that play with the wind. Every inch feels like it's a living artwork. Chanticleer began as a private estate. It was built in the early 1900s by Adolf Rosengarten Sr., a pharmaceutical executive, as a summer home for his family. The name Chanticleer actually comes from the proud rooster in the Canterbury Tales, a nod to the Rosengarten's sense of humor. Throughout the gardens, you can see different motifs of the rooster. But it wasn't until the 1990s that the garden really transformed. Adolf Rosengarten Jr., who inherited the property, had a vision. He wanted Chanticleer to become a public garden after his death. He passed away in 1990, and just 3 years later, the garden opened to the public. Today is run by the Chanticleer Foundation and is known worldwide for its innovative design, artistic flair, and deep love of horticulture. Chanticleer is maintained by its horticultural department, which is comprised of 24 members, led by the manager, Leon Sorensen. There are 7 horticulturists, each responsible for the design, planting, and maintenance of a specific area of the garden. These areas are continually evolving, each with its own unique character, creating a dynamic and innovative landscape. In addition, there are 31 individuals, including facilities, visitor services, and public programs that support Chanticleer Gardens. This collaborative team ensures that the 48-acre garden remains a vibrant and inspiring destination for visitors. I'd like to remind you that if you're enjoying this video, please give us a subscribe. This will really help out our channel in bringing content to you in the future. So just click that van icon in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Click it right now and sign up with your email. It doesn't take long to do, and it's completely free. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoy the show. The Asian woods area of the gardens is a serene and thoughtfully curated landscape that celebrates the flora of East Asia within the context of an American woodland garden. The retreat is characterized by dappled shade, meandering paths, and a diverse collection of plants native to China, Japan, and Korea, including Japanese maples, woodland peonies, and Asian lady slipper orchids. The koi pond is home to a large collection of colorful koi fish that glide gracefully through the water. A Occasionally, the pond attracts other wildlife, such as herons, adding to the natural charm and biodiversity of the area. The Koi Pond's beauty has inspired artists and photographers alike. Its serene ambiance and the vibrant colors of the koi against the reflective water surface make it a favorite subject for capturing the essence of Chanticleer's harmonious blend of art and nature. The cutting garden is thoughtfully arranged into 4 quadrants, each brimming with a diverse mix of perennials, annuals, biennials, and bulbs. A central path lined with arches crafted from rebar and driftwood supports climbing plants like clematis and other vines, adding vertical interest and a sense of enclosure to the space. These arches are not only functional but also contribute to the garden's artistic ambiance. The garden showcases a wide variety of plants chosen for the aesthetic appeal and suitability for cut flower arrangements, including tulips, zinnias, celosias, chrysanthemums, dahlias, canna lilies, and ornamental grasses. I think my favorite part of Chanticleer Gardens was the ruined garden. The ruined garden is a captivating blend of art, architecture, and horticultural, designed to evoke a romantic allure of a decaying estate reclaimed by nature. Though it appears as an ancient ruin, this garden was intentionally crafted in 1999 on the foundations of the former Minder House, the residence of Adolf Rosengarten Jr. Visitors enter the ruined garden through what resembles a crumbling stone facade, leading into a series of thoughtfully designed rooms. The library has stone books with titles like The Moss and Ex Libris, while sculpted faces emerge from the walls, creating a sense of mystery and contemplation. The dining room has a long, reflective black pool that serves as a central table, evoking images of a banquet table or sarcophagus. Surrounding this are walls adorned with succulents and other plants. The fountain room has a serene pool that contains marble faces submerged just below the water's surface, offering a haunting yet peaceful ambiance. The vegetable garden is a charming and thoughtfully designed space that showcases the art of edible gardening in a compact yet productive layout. Situated near the cut flower garden and framed by rustic benches, it invites visitors to appreciate both the aesthetics and functionality of growing food. The garden demonstrates how a significant amount of produce can be cultivated in a relatively small area, making it an inspiring model for home gardeners. Each bed is surrounded by walking paths, allowing guests to meander through and observe the seasonal plantings up close. If you're looking for a place to slow down, get inspired, or just wander through some seriously stunning landscapes, Chanticleer is worth the trip. Every visit is a little different because the garden is constantly changing. Thanks for joining me on this tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've ever been or plan to go. Until next time, happy travels.